Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Salesforce to Outlook. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, if you want to synchronize your Outlook in Salesforce, you will need just to enable the activity or the Einstein activity capture. To do so, you will need just to go to the setup, and after that, you will need to click on setup here, and then you will need just to search for the activity capture in the quick find. We can simply type activity capture. So here we have activity, and then we will need to go to the activity capture or the Einstein email insights, etc. So basically you can go first to the settings to enable it, and now I already have my instant activity capture. If you had it disabled, you will find only one button that will be uh, showing here, and which is the get started, etc. Then you will need to have your own configuration. So you click on new configuration, and then you will have all these steps. You can give it a name, my conf, and then will just click on next, and then you can choose what you want to synchronize with your between your Outlook and your own Salesforce. And basically, you can have your calendar that will be synchronized, your emails, your contact, etc. You need just to click on next and have everything that you want to set up. If you want to customize anything from here, you click on next, and you can also add users or profiles to use for permissions, etc. So I'm just going to click on next and then click on save, and now you have your configuration. Then you will find that you can start going to the Microsoft Exchange connection so you can add your own connection. So from here you add just the server URL, the email suffix, and other informations, and you have your connection that will be set up. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.